Good morning, students. Myself Santosh Maurya, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Raebareli. From today onward, I am going to start a series of English grammar in our first topic. Today, I have taken a parts of speech, that is noun. So, first of all, let's start with this first parts of speech, noun. My dear students, I hope that you know about noun. What is the meaning of noun? Noun is naming all. Noun is naming all. In my words, if I'll say naming, means you just give name of anything. It may be name of person, name of place, name of things, name of ideas. For example, Raju. So Raju is name of a person. Lucknow. Lucknow is name of a place. Table. Table is name of thing. Like that, honesty. Honesty is name of a idea, name of thought. So like that, whatever the name given to any object, any person or any place, that all are known as noun. So first of all, let's start about types of noun. Basically, there are 5 types of noun. Number 1 is proper noun. Next one is common noun. Third number is collective noun. Fourth one is material noun. And the last one is abstract noun. In today's lecture, I will talk about common noun. So, as you can understand the meaning of this word, that is common, means one common name or common word for a community, for a class. Let's see. Word for people, place and things are called common noun. You can see here a common words for people, लोगों के लिए एक कॉमन शब्द. कॉमन वर्ड फॉर अ प्लेस, जगह के लिए एक कॉमन शब्द. कॉमन वर्ड फॉर थिंग्स. सो दैट कॉमन वर्ड which is given for place, for people, for things, known as common noun. First of all, let's see the common words for things. Things के common words को हम देखते हैं. Here we can take the example of so many words like ruler, pen, crayons, pencil, book, dictionary, chair, table, sofa, loyalty, lamp. Like that one, there is a complete list of common noun which just related to things, means word for things. Here so many words are given. You just go through these words and understand this one and keep these words in your mind. So these are the words for things. Here you see bicycle. The thing which is just keep in your mind that these are the common noun, not proper noun. Next point, these common nouns are words for animal. Notice that special names for young animal are included, means name of young ones also just included in this list. Here you just take the example animal and its young one, as dog, Dog's young one, puppy. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. Horse, foal. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. Frog, tadpole. Like this one, there are so many other words also given in this slide. You just see this one and understand this point. Here the thing which you have to keep in your mind, that if you have a dog in your house and given a name to that dog, for example, Froxy, if someone has given name to his pet dog as Froxy, so Froxy is proper noun, not common noun. Dog is general word, common word given to this class of animal, so that is the reason dog is common noun. But when you just give a special name, a specific name to your pet dog, then it becomes proper noun. This is a difference. Like this one, we can take the example of other words also. Now, next point, these common nouns are words for places. There are so many common words for places. For example, bank. So it may be bank in Raebareli or bank in Lucknow or in Calcutta, anywhere. So bank is common word, like that one. Hotel, library, museum, mall, hospital, airport, gas station, park, zoo, factory, nursery, like that one. This is a list of common noun which are related to places. Here again the same point, that if someone is talking about park, so park is common noun, but when talk about some specific park, for example, if someone is talking about Chandrasekhar Azad Park, which is situated in Allahabad, Prayagraj, now Prayagraj, so that is proper noun. Chandrasekhar Azad Park is proper noun, but when someone is saying only park, so that is common noun. Here you can take some other examples also, like that beach. Beach is common noun, but when someone is talking about Puri beach, beach of Australia, so that is proper noun. Okay. These common nouns are words for people who do certain things. ऐसे लोग जो कुछ सर्टेन थिंग्स को करते हैं, मतलब ऐसे वर्ड्स जो लोगों के लिए कॉमन वर्ड्स, ऐसे कॉमन वर्ड्स जो पीपल के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं, दैट नोन एज कॉमन नाउन. हियर सम एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन एज सिंगर. सिंगर में बी मेल और फीमेल, डांसर, आर्टिस्ट, फोटोग्राफर, मैजिशियन, एथलीट, मैनेजर, secretary, teacher, doctor, dentist, lawyer, sailor, pilot, driver, writer, friend, brother. Here I'll just tell you that friend as a friend, and there are so many words given, so this is applicable with all the words. Friend is common noun, but when you just give or take a name of your one friend, Rohan, talking about your friend Rohan, so Rohan is proper noun, not common noun, but only friend, so that is common noun. Gardener, police officer, plumber, farmer, clerk, technician, like that one. There are so many words are there. So this is our first topic, that is about common noun. This series is started for class 6th, 7th and 8th, and the people, those who just want to understand the basic of English grammar, this English grammar test series is equally important for them also. So you just watch this series, and in this series our next topic will be proper noun, and then we make a kind of difference between common and proper noun. So that's all for today's topic. Thank you. Have a good day.